Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to BLACKVIEW Tab 16. Begin by opening Play Store on both to download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Following that, to use it, just click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or select OK right away. In the white window at the top right corner, hit Close. And then select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of BLACKVIEW. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then select Download after Watch Ad. If you prefer to scan this QR code instead of inputting this key, click on Scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, and tap on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up. Then point your tablet's camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!